Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Nining Tosinde. I'm a student in Tuku Maroso University, Faculty English Education. This is my presentation about restoring vocabulary by using crossword puzzle by Vivin Krismawanti Mojango. The objective of this research is to find out whether crossword puzzle is effective in improving student vocabulary mastery. The sample of this research is the 8th grade student of SMP GKSD 1 Tentena, particularly class 8C and 8A. This research is quasi-experimental design, the non-equivalent control group design that involve two sample groups. They are experimental group and control group. The researcher used clustering sampling. The researcher applies test instrument or pre-test and post-test in collecting the data. The pre-test is administered to measure the student's achievement in learning vocabulary before treatment, while the post-test is administered to measure the student's achievement after treatment. Based on the result of the study, it is proved the application of crossword puzzle is effective in improving student vocabulary mastery. It is found that the count 1820 is higher than the table 1693. It means the hypothesis of this research is achieved. In conclusion, the achievement of the 8th grade student of SMP GKSD 1 Tentena in mastering vocabulary can be improved significantly by using crossword puzzle. Teaching and learning vocabulary through crossword puzzle. The crossword puzzle is still the most popular word game. It lies in the easy way to which it can be constructed. The words are run together horizontally and vertically. Wharton, 1995-48, states the crossword puzzle for use in the language classroom is really quite easy to create. First, make a list of words with which your students should be familiar. Then, search for a letter common to two words and you are off. The puzzle forms may be used in several ways. 1. The students find animals, colors, or plants in the puzzle. 2. The students find certain parts of speech, verb, noun, adjective, preposition. 3. Other categories may include the names of the days, the week, months, school subjects. 4. The student finds proper nouns, cities, states, countries, famous people. 5. The students find certain kinds of activities, trades, professions, sport, hobbies. And then discussion. The researcher administered pre-tests and posts to the students. The students' rooms were used to collect the data of the research. The models of the test were filling out the crossword puzzle, multiple choice, and completion. The test consisted of 15 items for pre-test and 16 items for post-test. The experimental group was given some treatments by using crossword puzzle, while control group were not. They were struck by using conventional teaching. The pre-test was administered before the treatment while the post-test was administered after the treatment using crossword puzzle to the experimental group while the control group was treated by using conventional strategy. The result of the pre-test in both experimental and control group showed that students got different scores. The lowest score in the pre-test of experimental group was 50 while in control group was 38. The highest score was 88 in the experimental group, while in the control group was 69. On the other hand, the lowest score of post-test in experimental group and control group was 67, while the highest score in the experimental group was 100 and the control group was 93. From the research, I make conclusions. The research concluded that there was a significant difference between the students' score in the pre-test or before treatment and post-test or after treatment of both groups. The students' mean score of both groups were also different. It was proved by looking that counted 1820 was higher than the table 1693. Indeed, the hypothesis of the research was achieved. It indicates that the use of crossword puzzle can improve student achievement in mastering the vocabulary of SMP GKSD 1 Tentena. This is a presentation from me. If there are sentences that are not perfect, please forgive so much and thank you.